shame on you. You have no proof, you have slander, and you have hurt this man's legacy. And we won't stand for it. As a matter of fact, I think the Olympics owe us some financial restitutions.
Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah.
I close opening statements. I'm going to give the floor to the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Mr.
Objection!
Okay. So, Mr. Flake. Mr. Flake. Is that your real name?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Not bad.
Not bad? Not a little sniffle? Not a little concrete going around?
My wings are sore.
Wings are sore. Oh, I see. Well, they must be seen as how the body mass proportion around you is rather sus.
Objection! He's using his phone looking at TikTok videos. Put it away!
It's a
Bailiff, tell him to put it away!
it's a list of information. Check that. It's information on why puppies are cute, but I digress.
Overrule this evidence that was brought before the board.
You know, it's said that steroid use can lead to fluid retention, causing swelling in the body, leading to very, shall we say, disproportionate shapes.
Objection, Your Honor. These wings are purely genetic.
His wings, what about the rest of him?
Oh, that's also genetically beautiful.
Just happened to skip wing day.
This for a Wonderbolts try. You skip wings and yet you apply Wonderbolts? That's a separate suit.
I think this is, I object, I do believe this is discrimination, all right?
Discrimination.
You are discriminating my client's beautiful, tiny wings. Can you stand up for me, please? God created us in his image, and this is part, okay, hold on. This is part of the image. All right, these are beautiful, delicate, natural wings, and you are body shaming my client.
I'm not body shaming anybody.
Oh, yeah, right.
Order! Objection, Your Honor.
Order!
The court ruled in Diamond Tiara v. Scootaloo that tiny wings are not a sense of shame. It's the rest of him
Don't you
that I
bring my-
question.
Bring my knees to
Order in my court.
Now, may I continue the examination, Mr. Interrupty Pants?
Objection.
What, you don't like your pants?
We may continue.
You'll get the blame.
All right.
Take them off.
Now, I also...
No!
I'll take us to another court case.
Okay. Look, I appreciate your eagerness, but we're not going to get to that kind of an examination. But then there's also the matter, Mr. Flake, of, what would you say, some wild mood swings, like you see a butterfly and scream like a schoolgirl on helium? I believe several windows...
You are intimidating my client.
I'm intimidated. He could crush my head with one flex, and I'm intimidating him?
Verbally, emotionally, and spiritually.
Spiritually.
There was an incident in my childhood. I don't like bringing it up.
How dare you?
I dare just fine, thank you for asking. Now, Mr. Flake, I've seen mood swings. I'm seeing body fluid retention leading to disproportionate limbs.
Yep.
I think you've even forgotten how many hats you wear in Ponyville, how many jobs you have.
Because the Olympic Council has disgraced my client. He was fired from his 8 to 5, and now he had to sell his gold medal to make ends meet so you can buy your fancy golden cloak. Clearly, you and your ivory tower are talking down to Snowflake and the people of Ponyville.
Your Honor, may I finish my examination without these constant interruptions?
You may finish your examination and then you may rest.
Alrighty. But Mr. Flake, I noticed that you have a lot of vague defenses. An incident happened. Well, I believe that in other Olympics they're saying, oh yes, it turned out I have a twin inside my body. Believe me, that was an actual defense during the Olympics.
What were you watching?
The Daily Show.
Oh, that is...
Anyway, but Mr. Flake, there's a disturbing trend. Disproportionate body, violent mood swings, forgetfulness, as I stutter on forgetfulness. All of this suggests a very unbalanced mind and body. Are you sure you could say to the court, having sworn on the holy book of the two sisters, that you are truly not using any sort of enhancement?
Well, it depends on what your definition is.
All right, that's hold on. My clients.
Your Honor, I believe the opposition has just proven my point. Their own actions damn them.
Your Honor, I'd like to call a surprise witness to the stand.
We'll turn the floor over to my opponent, I guess.
You may proceed.
One of the most distinguished colleagues in Ponyville, Sidetry, please come up on stage. Yeah. See, unlike you, I don't just speak out my butt. I go to a scientist to get the results of the truth.
Sir, I object. That list was entirely scientific. Google said so.
I'm just a natural goth, duh.
I don't believe you.
Duh.
And as we will show that our client performed proper due diligence within the confines of the law, sticking true to both the letter and spirit in his testing before moving on to live experimentation. After that, well, then it's a question of your own morality, and after your earlier statements, I'm a little worried.
All right, then. With that, I give the prosecution the floor.
Fluttershy,
Yes.
can you describe to everybody what you found in the offices of one Dr. Rick?
Well, I think we all know what he has in his garage. There's that secret laboratory, and I think it's not unknown to us all that Rick Sanchez has not much respect for other life. I mean, he makes sentient life all the time and kills it. I mean, remember when he made a head of Jerry just to imitate his voice to trick Beth? Or the butter robot, and he just tells the robot that his whole purpose in life is making butter? Oh my god, that's like completely messed up, no?
It's messed up.
I just can't believe it.
Can't believe him either.
I would not be surprised if he's done even worse things. I mean, even in the Pickle Rick episode, he kills so many rats. So many rats.
I'm sorry, hearing Fluttershy say Pickle Rick episode. Can we give her a hand, by the way? That's actually...
Thank you, Fluttershy.
May I?
You may.
I'd like to call a witness to the stand to ask questions.
Who would this witness be?
Fluttershy.
Me?
Fluttershy! I see you're going through a bit of a phase. We've all been there.
Objections?
We've all... I'm trying to prove a point.
Relevancy!
I'm trying to prove a point!
This better go someplace fast.
Oh, Fluttershy, the goth. Are you really gothic?
I mean, look at me. Are you blind?
Oh.
Obviously.
I would like to ask you, Miss Fluttershy, if you are so supposedly gothic, what is your favorite item to give the hot topic?
Their band shirt selection is pretty good. I don't like their accessories. They used to be leather.
She's been to hot topic.
They don't make them leather anymore. It's all cheap.
There's something else, though, you've been to. This very peculiar, scary place called your shed. You have a shed.
Objection.
No.
Yeah, objections!
No.
Objection.
No. I do not have a
No,
shed.
we just took a nerve. Exactly.
I'd like
So
to hear
you're-
more about this shed.
Thank you.
Who
All
told you
right.
about that?
So you claim our clients are distinguished. I keep saying we're distinguished. Rick and Morty guy, is animal cruelty. You though commit actual murder in your shed. We've seen the blood. We've seen the pictures. I've seen the fan art at Hot Topic. No, I'm not. I'm going somewhere with this.
Hey, we do not want to talk about
And
the
if you
shed.
all think that this man is guilty, ask yourselves who the real guilty person is. This pony right here. That's round 2.
Ding ding. I would like to call Rick as a witness. Or not as a witness, just as yourself. Whatever. However this works. You. Law. Rick.
What?
How are you doing today, Rick?
I guess I'm doing all right.
You feeling pretty good about yourself?
Yeah.
So it seems like there isn't a contest of whether or not you do testing on animals. Is that true?
Not that you can prove.
Really?
But your opening
Really?
statement
Hey.
was backing up reasons to do animal testing, was it not?
Why are you asking me? You're interviewing him.
I know, but now I'm like, that's what you said. Mr. Gold Jacket Guy.
That is a good point.
Gold jacket guys.
Now put your mic down, I don't want to talk to you. Rick, would you agree that testing on animals, not saying one way or another if you do, but would you agree that the testing upon animals for the benefit of your kind could, in fact, be something to help progress science?
Maybe.
Maybe. Would you perhaps be willing to be one to progress science? Do you feel like you're a progressor of science?
I like to think so.
You like to think so. Would you agree with me that we, as ponies, are also animals?
Objection.
Whoa.
Ponies and humans are both considered animals.
This is true.
See, your client agrees with me. Yeah.
So what you're saying is, there's no stopping the line. We say cute and cuddly animal, get out of here. We say cute and cuddly animals, but where does the distinguishment stop? Are we talking just cute puppies and kittens? Or are we talking about everybody is at risk of this man, Rick?
Yes.
Can I say something?
I
I think this guy is intoxicated, and also I think we should just test stuff on criminals like him instead of animals.
That's right. That's right. Intoxicated.
Objection. Your Honor, I like to cross-examine my own client, Rick.
Oh my.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Do it.
Wait a second, something seems off.
Is that
Rick from Universe 3397. We got the wrong Rick!
Oh my!
Oh.
Your Honor,
could this be?
this is a Rick from a different universe.
Oh, I get it. The
thought you
prosecution
said you
thinks
brought
all
the right
Ricks look
Rick.
This is
alike.
the wrong Rick!
But wait, he didn't
Well, then
deny
where's
the
the
thing
real
about
Rick?
Pickle
Your
Rick.
Honor, this is a mistrial!
He didn't deny the Pickle Rick allegations.
We like to move for a mistrial for having the wrong Rick from the wrong universe here on trial. This man is innocent.
Well, then how
I
many Ricks
disagree.
could have abused animals?
None of them.
I disagree.
You haven't
I feel
abused
threatened.
animals, have
He
you?
brought a gun to the stage. He's intoxicated.
Was that?
I feel threatened. He brought a gun to the stage. He's clearly intoxicated, and he did not deny the Pickle Rick allegations.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
that might be true.
But I see an injustice taking form here. You want to punish one Rick for the crimes of another Rick.
Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, you're wanting to talk because you're punishing other animals for the benefit of other animals.
Oh, get out of here!
Break it up, you two. Break it
Oh
up.
no, he's gone. Anyway.
Rick, you gotta get out of here right now!
Out for your life, Rick Rod! Be free!
What's that? Get him! Get that man!
Get out of here! Run for your
All
life!
right. Let's hear it from
Still running.
Jury. What is he going to say?
Jury, what do you all think of our Rick? Let's hear it. I'm feeling the seething rage.
Sick him.
Order.
Don't do that. I don't have any of those. I don't know what you're talking about. Can we please stop talking about it?
So I guess, Fluttershy?
Yeah!
All right. Folks, give it up for Fluttershy!
Lifesavers, Mark.
Thank you, Rick.
Woo!
And guess what? Even if we lose, we still get paid. Yeah! My third yacht. My third yacht.
My third yacht!
I mean, our third yacht.
I'll just get another jacket. Please turn around. How many have a pair of wings?
She is retired. Objection. She hung her wings up long ago.
I'm sorry, I don't recall the ceremony involving Celestia ripping off part of her body.
She gave
That's a private process, you sicko!
You're talking about ripping off wings and I'm the sicko?
Celestia, as you can turn around again, I tell you this, all right? Objection. Objection. She's retired, okay? You know how a cop gives their badge and their gun when they're retired? Horn and wings returned, okay? It's called government. Look into it.
It's a process passed down through generations that a changeling wouldn't know.
Exactly.
Or,
This changeling was the
objection, Your Honor, can I state my case?
Go right ahead.
You know, that sounds more like something a changeling would make up.
You're stealing our stuff, changeling.
Let's not result
Celestia.
results here.
Okay, Celestia A and Celestia 1. There we go. Right?
No, Celestia 1, Celestia not at all.
There's just no pleasing some people. How have you been getting on with ponies since your retirement?
I've been getting along well, thank you.
Really? Really? And Celestia A?
I didn't retire because I have more work to do, unlike you.
Oh!
So while no longer governing Equestria, you are still very proactive.
Alas, there are still the dragon lands that need defended and many realms beyond.
Oh, so we have one who is not shirking her duty, and one who's just at the beach.
I'm immortal after all. If I'm immortal, why would I retire? I have many years ahead of me. I'm still quite young.
Do you consider yourself still quite young?
I believe I do consider myself quite young. But then again, you should never ask a woman's age.
Exactly right.
Talk to ladies. Oh.
You'll note I only said you consider yourself quite young.
Still asking my age.
He is heckling our client.
Objection.
Objection.
But we have a Celestia who considers her duty, still employs her crown and wings, and one with a really cool shirt.
It's a really cool shirt, all right?
Yeah, I would wear it. I would wear it.
But I gotta say, we've got retirement versus proactive. I turn it over to my opposition.
Do the case test.
Celestia, you may have a seat. Thank you. Well, Celestia, and then this imposter. I want to call a surprise witness to the stage. Someone who has insider information about Celestia's the Luna Guard. Let us give a round of applause for our boys of Luna.
The only true servant of Equestria.
Did you see the chain armory? The Royal Guard!
Did we just allow this man in my courthouse with a weapon? Okay, thank you.
Before you begin, may I ask, how did you get past the metal detector?
We don't got one of those.
Wow, we're bad at this.
We're bad court.
It must be all that magic.
Non-magnetic metals.
Exactly. Yeah, Google it. All right. Royal Guard, you've been working for the palace for how long now?
All my life.
All their life. All right. So you know a thing or two when it comes to royalty.
I do.
Do you recall the ceremony when your princess of thousands of years finally retired after a long tenure?
The ceremony exists, but I have never seen it before.
Why not?
Yeah, you weren't even
Do
there.
not involve ourselves with the sun.
Oh wait, hold on. Can we get rid of him? Hold on. Wait, you're the guard for that one princess who Celestia sent to the moon, right?
And then dragged her
Okay,
out.
Your Honor,
Hold on. Get rid of him. Hold on. This might have been a mistake. Hold on.
What are you doing?
So hold on though. Your Honor, your guard shift, sir. So you have this contempt, hatred for Celestia then?
For this one.
The real one?
the
The
fakey.
false.
The fall. Oh,
False, but for what reasons do you think they're false?
I believe Celestia would wish for her sister to have many years to restore her rightful reign after her banishment.
So you have such hatred and contempt for this princess that without a shadow of a doubt you would know who that princess is, correct?
Correct.
And who is it? Oh, no. Hold on. We can't trust this person. They're biased. All right? Your Honor, this guard came in with a weapon. I'm escorted out.
Your Honor,
Bailiff,
I object. The defense is attacking its own client.
Well, he brought a weapon in here. He's not fit for duty.
All right.
But would you like an opportunity to cross-examine?
For Luna, you must have, because you went to the moon.
Actually, well, for when
Fighters
you're...
win all the worst.
Excuse me, all eyes on Goldie. That's me. First of all, Your Honor, we'd like to thank our guardsman for his many years of service and him speaking the truth.
Shut up!
But rather than cross-examination, Your Honor, I believe it's time that we eliminate any doubt. Because here's the problem, everyone. When there's a changeling in the room, you never know who it is.
There's a one way to find out.
And I know.
You light them on fire.
No.
If
No.
they're alive being lit on fire, they're innocent.
Objection.
You come from Salem, don't you?
The cat?
I don't think anyone would survive being lit on.
Actually, there is a way.
Yeah.
The best way to prove who's a changeling is to consult a changeling, because I see Queen Chrysalis
Are you serious?
Where?
Wait, is Chrysalis here?
in the room. Oh my! Oh yes, I see a Queen
You
Chrysalis.
want to come up on stage?
Would you like to join us?
Queen Chrysalis! Oh, damn it.
It's turning into a real circus.
We're gonna be okay. We have to go back to Starbucks and be baristas again.
All right. Well, sit right here, please.
Oh no!
That was her fault! It's a sign! It's a sign! Oh no!
Oh, now my opponents besmirch the court and tarnish our flag.
It's fine!
I shouldn't have hired lawyers when
Now, everyone, can I please have a round of applause for Queen Chrysalis? Who, though portrayed as a villain, right now is the most honest one because she's a changeling without disguise. Now,
How do you know?
Objection! You brought a criminal into the courtroom who's a felon.
counter objection, you were already here.
Oh, dare you!
I dare just fine, thank you for asking.
I may be a lawyer, but even I have some standards.
You're-
Give me that!
Now, your changeling majesty. What do you think of, first, this Celestia?
She looks fairly like the real Celestia.
Fairly like Marissa. And the opposition Celestia?
I say she could look like one of my changelings.
Objection!
Blasphemy!
Objection!
Objection from an expert's opinion?
I think you're wrong.
He attempted objecting via saying nuh-uh.
Now, so, fairly confident this is the real Celestia. Fairly confident that's a changeling over yonder. Now, I believe just one other question on changelings. We notice that they tend to have a slightly different personalities. Who would you say has been behaving the more Celestia-like?
Well, this Celestia, obviously.
Oh, I greatly appreciate that, Your Majesty. Thank you. By the way, sorry about the whole lawn ornament thing.